welcome back to my pep talk. It's me and Carlito here. It is actually still Christmas Day, so if you watched my last vlog, which you should have, we're actually still on the same day. I just uploaded the video, it's live. Me and Carlito here wanted to come and play some basketball with his new basketball because he hasn't been able to because of his back. This would be the first time in 2 years that he would do any hooping. And would you believe it? They have the courts literally locked up. We can't even access it. It's unfortunate, but it is what it is. So now we're just wandering around. But Carlo, show them your ball handling skills. Come on, baller. Baller Los. He's embarrassed. No, I'm just messing. But yeah, we're here down at the park. We have a nice river park by our house, which is pretty cool. Has a cute little playground and whatnot. But as dumb as it is that the courts are locked, I guess we will still do what we can to make the most of it and have some fun here on Christmas Day. Just look how cute he is. Such an adorable, adorable boy. We love him. Carlos, let's go swing. We went and did some swinging. Now we're still on the playground. I'm gonna go down the big slide. It's right there. Look at that drop. I can't tell if you can see anything, but let's try this, okay? Hold on, I gotta get down. Oh, gosh. It's so fun. Merry Christmas. Not at me. These are our Christmas activities. Since they have the basketball court locked up, we're still gonna have some fun. We got Carlito, we got John, we got Jamie. We're out having some fun. Hey everybody, welcome to my pep talk. Okay, we're just gonna walk outside because it is, hi Carlito. We are starting, or it is starting to have the snow come, none of that made sense. The snow is starting to come down. Don't let the puppies out. Okay, so we have a winter storm a-brewing. Let's take a look. This has just started, what did you say, about 20, 30 minutes ago? About 20 minutes ago. We are expecting a lot of snow. How much?
A lot.
How much was it?
A lot.
He looked.
It's like 8 to 11 today and then 4 to 7 tomorrow.
Okay, yeah, so we're gonna get a lot of snow.
And like ice.
And ice. It's gonna be crazy. So we're gonna keep you guys updated. We're gonna see. We got food, we got groceries, we're gonna be little snowbirds. I hate that.
Snow leopard. Rawr.
Ew.
I hated that too, don't worry.
I'm not cutting that out.
Please cut it out. She's not cutting it out.
Or
don't judge me. Don't judge me.
We will keep you guys updated with how everything goes. But yeah, this is where we're beginning, so. All right, guys, I'm back again. It has been about, I don't know, an hour and a half since I last updated. Here, let me show you what it's like. We got a lot of snow so far. We got a no-no on the trampoline. No signs of it coming down anytime soon. Got my boots on. It's gonna be a big one. All right, everybody, it's been a while since the last update. Me and Carlos Laura and No, we're out here on a snow walk. The snow is deep. We are bundled up like marshmallows. And it's a lot of fun, really. A snow walk is just that. We walk in the snow. So, I'll let you know if anything exciting happens. Did you make something for me? Oh! Hey guys! Welcome to my pep talk. Thank you. I love it. Aww. It's beautiful. Guys, look how sparkly the snow is. That is straight glitter. Wow. Carlos, on a scale of 1 to 10, how much fun are you having? Oh, get it. Get it. We have our pals up there. He's kicking a tree for some reason. Don't really know what's happening, but it's happening. Oh Lord, the snow just started blowing, or the winds just started blowing. Ah! Oh God. That was for the cinematic take. No. You missed.
Bro, I got one.
No, he got it. Ass.
Oh my gosh, it's so fluffy.
All right, that's where you're sleeping tonight, No.
Okay, but have a good time. It's so hard to move on here. Caught white-handed.
I hate that. Hey guys, good morning. It's the very next day. I gotta hold on to something. And this is where we're at. And it is like pure ice. Look at these little icicles here. It is just pure ice right now. All the windows iced over, the road iced over. This is crazy. I don't know what that was, but yeah, it's kind of crazy out here. I'm not concerned. I hope everybody stayed warm, stayed safe. Yeah, I'll keep you updated. We might go back out on this in a little bit, but this is insanity. So, guys, we're back out here this morning. Carlos wants to go step in it. It's his manly urge to just step on ice. We all have it. Oh, ASMR. Oh my gosh. He's walking on top of it.
Oh, poor Kiki.
You be careful, please.
That's why I got down.
Look, there's not even footsteps. He was just walking on ice.
Whoa.
Whoa.
Yeah, there's a car driving.
There's a car out there driving? That's insane.
Yeah, he's coming his way.
It should be at home. Warmed up. You be careful out there.
Yeah, I'm not going past it. I can
That's insane. You can't even... That's crazy. This kind of car out here driving is crazy. Oh my gosh, they have a puppy in the front seat. In the Audi. This is crazy. Okay, on our snow day, I am deciding to make chili. I think chili is the perfect snow food, and it's a fan favorite in this household. So, I'm working on cooking the ground beef right now. Oh my gosh, stand up. I'm working on cooking the ground beef right now, but my chili, listen, it's very simple chili, all right? Ground beef, chili seasoning, also courtesy to Laura, thank you, because I did not buy this at the store. She got it for me. Focus on my face. All right, got this. We have tomato sauce, not to be confused with tomato paste. We have chili beans. We have kidney beans. We have diced tomatoes. We have Rotel. And that's it. That's all you got, folks. You can add some other stuff. I like to keep it like that. I probably make it a little bit different every single time I make it, but this is how I'm making it today. So I will keep you updated as I go. But yeah, it is a good day for chili, so that's what I'm gonna make. Here she is in all of her glory. Delicious, yummy, delectable warm chili. Perfect for a cold, cold, snowy day. I made it early so we can kind of eat on it all day long. And yeah, I'm really excited about it. I just felt like I should share with you guys on my snow vlog. All right, guys. Well, that is it. I know this vlog's been all over the place from New Year's Eve playing, or New Year's Day, Christmas Day. You know, it's been so long of me filming this vlog that I actually don't remember when we were at the park playing basketball, but we were there. Now that I said that out loud, it was Christmas Day. But went from playing basketball on Christmas to hanging out with friends on New Year's Eve to making bread, as I'm doing right now. I'm discombobulated, but yeah, that's our snow days. I just figured I would compile these all together, give you a glimpse of our beautiful snowstorm. I think they're calling it Snowstorm Blair, I believe. So shout out to Blair Waldorf, Gossip Girl, if you know what I'm talking about. But yeah, tonight I'm just gonna make some bread. I'm gonna make some good grilled sandwiches, and it's gonna be a good relaxing night. Right now the boys are outside clearing off our cars because they are absolutely iced over. Everything's frozen. It's actual insanity out there. But for that, I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog there. It was a really good time. I can't wait to post again. So thank you for coming to my pep talk, and I'll see you later. Bye. Just ice. Yeah. Oh, that was good.